All right, we all know someone with a crock pot and how awesome it is. But
I've only think of it for like chili and stuff like that. But what about drinks?
Drinks.
Yeah. Turns out you can use your crock pot to make some amazing festive drinks. And mixologist Jane Danger is here to show us some recipes maybe you want to try. Welcome.
Hi, Scott and Kara. Thanks so much for having me.
It's our pleasure. So are we going to get in trouble? Are we going to be in any danger with these drinks?
Maybe just a little. The good kind.
Well, tell us how to begin.
Yeah, so we're going to be starting with the first punch. This is one of my favorite. It's called the Good Glog. It's going to be tasting like a Scandinavian holiday. It's a variation on mulled wine, which is just one of my favorites. So we're using some Lillet and sherry as the wine. I already have some chai tea in here, which is all of the amazing spices you want this time of year, plus cardamom and black pepper. We're going to be adding some little orange wedges that have some cloves studded in them so they don't go floating around all random to add even more flavor here. Super tasty, super simple. Just like having this crock pot makes it so easy. It's just a breeze, dumping everything in. You set it and forget it. Gonna put in a couple drops of almond extract. Woo. And then the favorite part, the best part, since we're making a Scandinavian cocktail, we're gonna be using some Swedish vodka. We're gonna be using Absolute, and we're gonna top this off here. Yes, right. And we'll get this all in here. It is just so easy. It's my favorite new way to host this holiday. You want to be spending time with your guests. So this is the way to do it and give them a delicious homemade crafted cocktail that you set and forget. It's all in there. I turn it on medium, 15, 20 minutes. You've got a cocktail for everyone to enjoy.
That is
wonderful.
The
best.
And they just scoop it, and do you serve it in a mug or do you serve it in, I guess, a tot? So you want to serve it. What's the best way to serve it?
Yeah, I have a little mug here. Anything with a little stem. You could do little wine glasses or snifters too, whatever you have at home and you feel comfortable with, just as you have something to hold it with, because it'll be great and toasty and warm. So you need a little handle.
Yum.
Nice.
Yes, and next we're going to go on to the winterberry toddy. This I love so much because it utilizes blackberries year-round, one of my favorite flavors. It tastes so homey. It reminds me of my mom's blackberry jam she made every winter. It's just so delicious. Some fresh lemon slices to really brighten it up. I'm going to put one in now to garnish it off. You'll do cinnamon sticks to give you that like super tasty, toasty aroma. This one's a really great one for brunch, and we're going to be topping it off with Kahlua Mexican rum coffee liqueur. You could also make this one non-alcoholic and have coffee concentrate and the Kahlua on the side for your guests there to choose which they'd like, but it's a really great brunch cocktail. And next on to the cider celebration. This is for the cider lover in all of us. Just you walk into a house with that smell, the toasty cider going in the crock pot, and it's just so many flavor memories there. This one utilizes also another favorite of mine, cranberry sauce, which a lot of people have left over during the holiday season. I mean, not in my house. I buy a couple of extra cans because I love it so much. And some Angostura bitters to give it more of that baking spice, apple cider, and we're going to throw fresh ginger slices in there to brighten it up. You know how well Jameson and ginger go together? This one can be made non-alcoholic as well. You could have a setup of a little shot glass and the Jameson Irish whiskey right next to there, so your guests can choose whether they want to imbibe or not, since low to no ABV is such a big trend this holiday season as well.
Wow, that is remarkable. And drink those with caution so you don't get into any danger.
Yes, imbibe properly.
Yeah, so this is really nice because now, is there a place that people can follow along and get those recipes?
Yes, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Jane Danger Says, and I will have all of these recipes for you today and some great images. Just like it's super easy. Please utilize these tools so you could spend the most time with your holiday guests and loved ones.
Jane,
I think it's better that it's in an aqua crock pot.
Yeah. And before we let you go, how long do you have to let it cook in the crock pot? Is it like an hour instantly, or what happens?
Oh, yeah, it's really quick. It's really fast. Since everything in there is pretty much cooked, it's 15, 20 minutes, and then you set it on low to just keep it at temperature all night long. So you have great cocktails ready for your guests at a moment.
And in the beginning recipe, you had orange slices and different slices of fruit. Where do you get them? Like, they look dried. Were they dry?
Oh no, they're just really big orange slices, fresh. I cut them and prep them. You can do
all
this
right.
before your guests get there as well.
your
And I
little cloves
studded
in
them
them.
with some cloves and just had them ready and popped them right in.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Jane. We appreciate it. We hope you have a
Jane.
great holiday.
You too. Thank you for having me.